Well, it's about a little bit after 8 o'clock, and
stop letting them out.
Yeah. You mean letting them off? What you just heard right there is coming from town, and it seems like they're doing this like they did last year. They're setting off a few even before it gets dark. I mean, the grand finale ain't gonna be all that wild, but every time they set one off, we feel it. We may not be able to...
I didn't.
You gotta wash your face. Well, you got some white stuff there.
I just...
Did you eat a donut?
No.
But anyway, we'll keep you guys informed. And we're gonna sit out here, and
oh, I know what this is.
It's gonna get dark here soon, and we'll keep doing some videotaping. Maybe I'll get some of them up that way. I don't know. Maybe I'll be able to get the grand finale. Who knows, right? There's another one. Alright. Peace.
Peace.
You're cute, you know that? At first I thought this might have been a hummingbird. Just trying to focus. Because it's nighttime. It's some kind of moth. That's what it is. I used to know the name of these. I can't remember what the heck it is though. They're going to each one of my flowers. There he is. Supposed to be out here waiting for the fireworks. Instead, we're watching one of God's little creatures. Can't believe it's actually letting me get this close to it. Okay guys, it's starting to get dark out here, as you can tell. Alright guys, they started, and it's like I was afraid. They had to move them this year a little bit over to the side because they're working over there on the George Street Bridge where they usually set them off at. So now we got a big tree on our way, but as you can hear, we will hear every one of them.
We can see them too. We can see them too.
Yeah.
You know, I'm standing up. Whoa. Little off there. Not time yet for me. We still can hear them.
Now you guys can't hear exactly what we're hearing.
Yeah.
But it is literally shaking my whole back deck.
Huh? No.
If that tree wasn't there, we would have perfect sight. But you know what? We don't care. We're after the sound anyway.
Well, we can see.
Oh, there we go. That was, see, there you go. We can see most of them. Oh. Hold on, we're supposed to do what everybody else does, Damien.
Yeah.
Oh, woo.
No, no.
Come on.
Come on.
If I can't feel it, then it ain't good enough for me. Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah.
And what's so cool is you can hear these echoing off our hillsides. This is coming from the river, by the way, guys. I imagine you all figured that out by now. I should have set this up on a tripod. I figure I'd get a little bit more. I'm at the edge of my deck now. As you guys can see, that dang tree's in my way. The only ones we're really seeing is the ones that go way up high. Of course, we can see them a little bit through the tree too.
That's the problem last year.
Yeah, it's our big trees right in our way. That's okay.
But they're awesome. But we can still hear them. Okay, sorry. If a lightning bug in one of them, wow, hurts.
1 year back when I first married my wife, which would be about a little bit over 18 years ago, I helped set these off 1 year. It was the second year they had them in my town.
Oh yeah.
I helped set them off, and I had to actually go through a class to learn to do this. So 1 year, I actually got to stand up on a barge and help do this. It was a lot of fun.
Pretty.
That sounds like Damien's thinks they're pretty. Okay, I'll get some more after a while. I don't know if it sounds better bouncing off the hillside or not. It does.
I'm still looking at the other side. Think if they set theirs off. Whoa, that's a cool one. That's loud. You can hear that one going up. Oh, wow. Cool. That's a weird sound. Wow, I didn't know it's going to be like this. I think it was like this last year. I don't know what school is. The higher it goes, you can hear
the ashes.
Yeah, coming down. That's cool.
My arm's getting tired.
You want me to videotape? No, I don't even know. Wow.
I could teach how to videotape one day.
But not right now. It's kind of close about.
There's just some high ones.
5 minutes. I don't know. I'm glad that they're doing it in a river.
Yeah, they're doing it right on the river, actually.
I know.
From barges. It's 3 different barges setting them up, I believe.
There. That's my idea. Well, if sun was right there, we can see it good.
Not if that tree went in the way, we see them excellent.
Well, all the trees.
Yeah.
That's a cool sound.
Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm going to shut it off, pick it back up a little bit.
Wow. That wasn't that loud, like the usual high ones. Higher they go, louder they are.
Strange. A lot of people don't like loud bangs and stuff. I love them.
I love this.
There we go.
It's going to be a loud one. Yeah.
Nah, not that bad. Or not that loud.
But
That's your favorite.
no. That's my favorite. That's the biggest one I think I saw.
It's too bad my wife can't be here to join us on this.
But she's probably hearing it.
Well, I don't know.
Probably.
They don't work where she's at. They won't set them off till tomorrow.
I know. But
That's another town.
I know. But you might hear them. They don't.
I got to enjoy it last year. Well, she's off the 4th, and we can find anybody setting them off on Monday, then we'll go see them.
Ooh. Oh, wow, that. Ooh, and loud.
Hope you guys don't mind my son and I talking through this.
Oh, I like talking. No,
So do I.
Well, I usually don't like talking at school.
Oh, my arm's getting
That's
so
pretty
tired.
good. Whoa. That was pretty.
That was actually beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't say that much, but
Yeah, me either.
that was cool.
awesome.
That was
Yeah.
cool.
I never saw one like that. It's getting close.
Yeah, the grand
10-14.
finale should be coming up soon.
It's 10:14 right now. It's getting close.
As if they go with the time we thought they're going to go.
I'm sorry, Boots.
Yeah, my dog
Yep,
hates
that's
this.
funny. Yep, that was funny.
There we go.
Okay. Now it should coming soon. It's time to pour it.
A lot of low ones going up right now.
It's time.
So you can see it flashing over this way.
It's 10:15. So, Prince now. Sure.
You hear the dog barking. Come on, let's send up some loud ones now,
Yeah,
please.
It's 10:15. No, I shouldn't have said that. There we go.
That was nice. Last year the grand finale wasn't all that good. They blew half of them off before it was even time. Well, earlier that day they did.
Well, at Rising Sun,
Yeah.
the finale was good. But not that loud.
Now, the power of editing, I will take out a lot of the dead time in this for you guys.
That's a good one. Yeah.
I'm glad I charged up these batteries.
Yep. There's my favorite one.
It won't be long. Don't push it. Just sit back and enjoy it, son.
No. Because it's 10:19 right now.
Well, they may be having a lot more to put up this time.
Yeah. Don't touch it. Ooh. That is probably true. They probably have a lot more.
Mm-hmm. When it's all said and done, if they do it like they do every year, I want you guys to listen. You'll hear all the barges blowing their horns.
Yeah.
And you might actually hear the people in town clap and say, "Yay!"
Let's do that. No. Aren't people in town?
Huh? Yeah.
No.
No, we're not in
I
town.
know. I just say this is town. I'll make it town.
Oh, my hand is getting tired.
I'm sorry. Once I know how to fix it, so I can't.
I'm fine. I got busted on my knee.
Oh. Hey, sometimes I do that, like.
Kind of blinds me. I look through the video screen here, and then I look up. It kind of blinds me a little bit.
No, I like this and that. Like, look at this. Sometimes. And that. Like, kind of weird.
wish they'd pick it up.
That's good.
Well, most of this might be edited out too.
Yeah. Like mainly we're talking probably.
Yeah.
People like. Well, people will probably like this video.
I don't know.
It's about 10 minutes? Looks like it.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to edit this out.
Yeah.
Here we go, I think. Might be it.
Might be it. It is.
Hold yours, Damon. God, I love that sound.
Yeah. Have you started for the people who do what? This is awesome.
You guys can't see it, but it's actually lighting up the whole sky. Listen now, listen. Get ready for the barges.
There.
I don't know if it picked it up. That was better than last
Yeah.
year. You guys could not see the effect of this, but my whole sky was lit up and it was shaking my deck. But for some reason, the video camera doesn't pick up the full boom. Oh, what is whoops. I guess I was one late one hitting. I'm not sure. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or it's 2nd of
I guess I
July.
better give my daughter a call.